Hi, Eulis Ester, Neptune and Above Product Manager. Today, I will demonstrating how to remove and replace some of the components within the Corporation Stop. Corporation Stop, this portion right here is the ring. This portion right here is a coil or the nozzle assembly. We offer the nozzle assembly in 4 different materials. This particular one right here is PVC. We also have another one is PVDF or 3/16 stainless steel or copper 1020. And we also have this portion right here is a ring and a chain assembly. Right, this part is, we call that a tube nut. Within the tube nut, there's 2 ring washer and a Viton. The Viton is sandwiched in between 2 ring washer. Or 2 ring, it's the first one. Viton, O-ring, and a ring washer. The next part is 3/16 stainless steel bushing, and this portion right here is a brass ball valve, and this portion right here is NPT 3/16 nipple. We have 2 portions depending on the sizes. So this particular part that I have in my hand is for a 1/2 inch and 3/4 inch NPT. So this portion right here, one size for a 1/2 inch Corporation Stop is a 1/2 inch NPT stainless steel, or for the 3/4 inch is 3/4 inch 3/16 stainless steel nipple. Okay. Now let's put these parts back together. Make sure the ring inside the nipple and thread this back together. Toward the end, make sure that you secure this with a wrench so it stays securely. The next is bushing. And the last part is inside the nut, the tube nut. You put the ring washer, Viton O-ring, another ring washer, sandwich together. Again, be sure to tighten them up with the wrench so it stays secure. And the last part, you'll insert the coil or the nozzle assembly back together. Corporation Stop.